know some foods are more beneficial than others? When it comes to eating, some foods are more beneficial than others. And today, we're here to tell you what they are. Healthy food isn't just about eating 5, 10, or more servings of fruits and veggies every day. It's about foods that are high in nutrients, low in calories, and low in fat. Now, many people focus on the nutrient density of the food, but not everyone knows what foods have the most nutrients. So in this video, we're going to break it down for you. Let's get started. 1. Salmon. Salmon is the most nutritious food in the world. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are the most abundant in the sea, and the protein in salmon is one of the most complete, which makes it easier to digest and absorb than most other proteins. Salmon is also one of the best sources of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption. Salmon contains over 100% of the recommended daily value of B vitamins. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are the most nutritious vegetables in the world, and they're packed with high levels of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They have the perfect balance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Green vegetables can improve health and combat disease. They are rich in antioxidants, which are believed to reduce disease risk and improve brain function. Leafy greens contain about double the amount of vitamins and minerals as other vegetables and are also a good source of fiber, calcium, potassium, and iron. Some of the leafy greens include kale, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, etc. 3. Nuts. Nuts are one of the most nutrient-dense foods globally, and they're also an excellent health food because of their fiber and healthy fats. On top of that, they're delicious. These crunchy and creamy treats are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help your body run well. Nuts are not only valued by their nutrient content, but they are also low in calories, unlike most other types of food. Nuts are super high in vitamin E, fiber, and protein. But there's a catch: nuts, not all of them, just the roasted ones, are high in calories. But if you keep them to a small portion each day, you'll end up with health benefits that far outweigh the potential fat intake. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa, a seed that grows in the Andes, packs the highest natural protein per gram of food at 15% for plant-based food at least. It's also rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium, and it's low in cholesterol. Quinoa is considered one of the most nutritious food on the planet, with each serving providing upwards of 17 grams of protein, 14 grams of fiber, 3 grams of iron, and 2 grams of potassium. It's packed with protein, and not just one type, but several different proteins. It's a complete protein, which means it has all of the essential amino acids our bodies need. It also contains a good amount of manganese and a little bit of calcium and iron. There's just one catch: you have to cook it to become nutritionally optimal. 5. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans and peas, are some of the most nutritious foods globally because they contain a special kind of protein called pantothenic acid. What's more, legumes are a good source of fiber, too, so you'll be filling up on essential nutrients and feeling full longer, too. You can eat it as a vegetable, soup, or even as a substitute for meat. Beans, in particular, are high in protein, fiber, potassium, and vitamins like B6, folate, and niacin. Beans have also been shown to have lower levels of cancer-causing inflammation-promoting omega-6 fats than other plant foods. Some of the legumes include lentils, peas, chickpeas, beans, soybeans, and peanuts. 6. Garlic. Garlic is such a tasty herb, and it can be found growing in gardens throughout the world. Garlic has been used for centuries as a medicinal, culinary, and flavoring agent. Garlic is also a well-known superfood and has many health benefits, such as boosting the immune system. It's also a great source of vitamin K and selenium, an essential nutrient that plays a role in healthy metabolism and cardiovascular health. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are the king of the berry world. They're the healthiest fruit out there, packed with fiber, anthocyanins, antioxidants, vitamin C, and a whole bunch of other nutrients we'd say are superfoods. They are not only rich in antioxidants, but also contain the powerful anti-inflammatory anthocyanin flavonoid. One of the research found that a single cup of blueberries is the equivalent of 78% of your daily vitamin C, 70% of your daily vitamin A, 20% of your daily vitamin E, and 10% of your daily vitamin K. They also make a great addition to a healthy diet, especially if you want to lose weight and have better overall health. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Which nutrient-dense food do you like the most? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now.